This garden was established in 1995. It's a community-based project, and in amongst the things we do here, we do youth work, we do educational visits for school children, and then we also have a facility for volunteers to come and spend some time here. But I'm the community youth manager, and I run like youth groups here, and we do lots of things around the garden. And it's different to other youth groups in that we have structured sessions where we try to grow food and music and cooking, and we try to involve the kids in all the participation. And so basically we run a group on a Thursday and on a Saturday, and then we'll go away on trips, and we'll learn all about, we do our themes such as like bird themes or amphibian themes, and we make sort of habitat and make things to feed the birds in the winter. So we're all about like wildlife and nature, and kind of we try to be as sustainable as possible.
I'm a sessional ranger here at the garden. I work with the youth groups and some school groups, doing various activities including pond dipping. Can you say discharge pipes?
No.
Can you say foam on the surface of the water?
No.
Nope. Road less than 20 metres away?
No.
Nope. Algal bloom?
No.
Nope. It's not a flying spider, man.
Swim in their backs just under the water surface.
So,
after we do the training, the initial training on the different themes that OPAL puts on, we use them with the youth groups, and we also invite schools to come in and do sessions with the packs. They're really good. The packs are really like very professional, and they're easy to follow. I think some of the themes weren't as sort of children, young people orientated, and that they were more about, early know about the science and stuff. But now the more recent ones have been fabulous. They've been kind of really orientated around families and kids, and they take up, you know, between 30 minutes and about an hour, and it's kind of, you can learn in a hands-on way, and it's quite fun, you know.
I just popped it in. Look, I got that one before.
And look, and there's something different down there. Look at that. Look at this.
No, there's one in there. Is there water spiders in there?
That's really. Do they have claws?
No, no.
You can't do the claws.
It really does look like one of them.
Which,
That?
look at it. Oh, careful.
That's what I think.
Oh, look. Well, where's that?
Stealing, I got another one of them fly things.
Okay, so you need to.
It's it out.
I think it's good because like you see different animals like you haven't seen in real life before. We found newts, we found water snails, and my friend found a scorpion, water scorpion.
Move it out. It's quite good, that's yeah, it's quite good. It's moving.
it is. It's quite cool.
Do you want to look for the top? It's a water scorpion, and how water scorpions have things on the back.
What is it?
This one, it's a breathing tube, not a needle. And it looks like a scorpion. I think that's why it's called a scorpion, water scorpion. So it lives in the water. And it's the first one I've ever saw. Same here.
It's quite fun, and I also found about 10 newts. Most of them were quite small. We found one big one, but at the bottom of the mud, because I dug down and I felt a bit of the mud, and you could actually see a creature breathing under it. I didn't know what it was.
Look. You.
There they are. There. There's a bigger one.
Ones you need to be careful of.
It's a big black one.
Great crested.
Great crested.
And the great crested have a tendency to hide
In them.
in these little gaps on the logs, if there's any left around.
Go. Look at the size of that frog. It's quite a big frog.
away.
Where's it? What?
Yeah,
It's right on the
through the other side. Anyone know how you can tell that this is a common frog?
Because it's got spots on its back.
No, because it's got spots on its back.
Because it's slimy.
No. See behind the eye?
I'm going to get
There's a dark patch
Oh, yeah.
behind the eye. Only common frog has that.
It was nice to find from some of the surveys about the quality of the habitat we have here, and in such an urban environment, it's really good to have such a great oasis. in a city, you know, and it's nice to have it clarified by scientific statistics. You know how good the habitat is. I think science can be boring, even the title science can be boring for, you know, children and young people. But to be able to do it and actually give them the packs and give them like the whole thing and say, right, this is what we're doing. I think they have to kind of take ownership of that project, you know.
I just think it's unreal, because it's what we do is going to real scientists.
So how does it make you feel about that then?
Excited, really.